If you're ready to deactivate the EPB service mode, turn the ignition on. In order to exit service mode, a few things need to be done in a sequence. So, with ignition on, press and hold the accelerator. Pull and hold the park switch. Push the brake pedal firmly for 1 second. Keeping the accelerator and EPB switch on. Then within 5 seconds turn ignition off, then on. The amber brake light will now turn red. The parking brake should now work as the service mode is exited. Check brake operation to confirm service mode is deactivated. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to leave a comment, like, and subscribe.